Hi, I'm Yusuf, CS officer, from laundryservice.ae. Let's schedule your laundry with laundryservice.ae in a few simple steps. Step 1. Send us your PIN location and address on our customer services WhatsApp 0522732873. Step 2. I will share the pickup schedule with you and our captain will come to collect the laundry. Step 3. I will send you the invoice and online payment link to your WhatsApp. Step 4. Our professional will clean the laundry. Meanwhile, you can pay your invoice online to schedule a delivery, or you can request a cash payment at the time of delivery. Step 5. After confirmation of payment, I will send you the delivery schedule. Please note down. For hotels, we collect and deliver at concierge. For home customers, we can collect it from security or outside of the door.